How to check mobile data uses in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your mobile data uses in your iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First, head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, scroll down till you find the cellular option. Tap on it. And after you're on the cellular setting, you'll need to scroll down. Now, in the section called cellular data, you should see all of your apps that use your data. So tap on show all. And after you tap on show all, you will see all of your cellular data and the apps and which app use how much data. Now, if you scroll down for a bit, you should see which app uses the most. Now, I can sort this by name or I can sort this by uses too. So yeah, that is how you can check mobile data uses in your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.